Many years ago, we had to decide whether we were going to buy into Autodesk or some other company. We decided on Autodesk, and we're glad we did because of their ability to combine all of these various packages that work together as one, which saves us time and improves the quality of our products. There are just amazing cultural, completely foundational changes to how we practice.
BIM used to be referred to as building modeling, but we've really kind of taken it to the next step, and it's become a way we coordinate buildings. We embed information in these models so that we can do analysis with them.
Ayers St. Gross has traditionally done mostly higher education projects, colleges and universities.
We do everything from building design to campus planning to graphic design, and we're even into app development and things like that. So we do a lot of different things in the realm of the architectural and engineering disciplines.
Ayers St. Gross subscribes to the theory of a digital toolbox. And the idea behind our digital toolbox is that you give people a series of tools, let them pick the right tool for the right time and the right place. And the building design suite really fits within that.
Revit and Navisworks are our primary workhorses so that we design and document a building in Revit. We coordinate a building using Navisworks. We do material takeoffs using Navisworks now.
We've dabbled, of course, with a little bit of all of the tools inside of the building design suite.
The campus planning team has really started to do full campus models by gathering LiDAR data, GIS data. That translates to an architecture project pretty easily, so we can do building designs based on that original campus model that we started with. We can look at optimizing the orientation of those buildings to really over the 30-year life cycle of those buildings or greater to understand what's the best orientation of those buildings from an energy consumption standpoint. And now the capability of rendering in the cloud, what used to take an overnight 8 or 10 hours of rendering time will come back in a couple minutes of rendering time that's done in the cloud. So we're taking advantage of tons of computer horsepower that we didn't have access to in the past.
It's quick and easy to go in, set up multiple schemes for paint, set it in front of a client, let them see their building, let them see in a very real way what the paint looks like or what the carpet finish looks like.
We upload Revit models or Navisworks model directly to BIM 360 Glue, and we open this model on an iPad, have it on a job site, and we can virtually spin around and see our model on the job site. We use GPS embedded with these models to locate caisson locations in the ground or locate duct bank locations on site.
We use the building design suite to really accelerate a lot of what we do. Ayers St. Gross did the math on what it would take to build out the city of Baltimore as a 3D model. And it would take us about 9 years to build that from scratch. So building design suite using InfraWorks and 3D Studio Max and Revit really allows us to consolidate that down to about 3 or 4 days. One of the many benefits of the building design suite is the ability to really take any of the products in there, regardless of how daunting they may seem, and perform everyday tasks. So you don't need to know the whole of 3D Studio Max design in order to learn how to do kind of step-by-step daylighting analysis.
You don't have to be a computer expert, you just have to start using the tools, get familiar with the tools, and it makes us better architects.
Autodesk has done a great job of making a user interface that's similar between products, and really, if you kind of understand one product interface, moving to the next product becomes very, very easy.
Now that the suite has all of these various related products together within this one package, it makes it easier for us to use, so therefore we use it more often. And each one has some sort of benefit to our owners, our clients. The benefits that you can obtain from the use of the Autodesk Building Suite are immediate and significant, and it doesn't matter the size of the project. It can be a house addition, or it could be one of Ayers St. Gross's $100 million projects. The Autodesk Building Suites are the best package for us, the way we practice at a high technological level, and that is where we think that this profession is going to be in the future.